Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining us today. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have our latest Lella Boutique and Secret Stitch Co. Biannual subscription box here to share with all of you. I'm not really quite sure what this line is. I know that our last January when we had this box, it was the Valentine's Day line, and then we also got another box in July, and that was the Christmas line. So I would assume that because this is like the December kind of going into January time frame, that this would also be Valentine's Day, but honestly I'm really not sure. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what we got. This box is $72 shipped. I didn't have to pay shipping, it's already included in the price, and usually it's chocked full of fabrics and patterns and notions, and last time I actually got an ornament too, so like little extra goodies as well. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what's inside this one. Okay, this is what the box looks like. It's just a standard little white box, but there's usually like a colorful insert. Okay, so this one is Lella Boutique Goodie Box Wild Honey. Hopefully you can see that pretty well. And there's always a little note from Vanessa, so let's go ahead and read this. It says, "Hey sweet Stitcher, get your waggle dance ready. A new box is here and buzzing with creative sweetness. Inside you'll find fresh cuts of wild honey fabric, playful patterns, and a few notions to help your projects bloom. Whether you're piecing the sprinkles quilt or the zip zip go bag," okay, so spoiler alert, "may every stitch bring a little sunshine to your day. With love, Vanessa." All right, and on the bottom here, it does have the total contents of this box. It doesn't have the prices, but I'll go ahead and see if I can find what those would be. And then I'll go ahead and total it up and see if we saved anything from purchasing this subscription box. Okay, so our first pattern actually looks more like a project box, kind of like we have with the Open Gates Quilt subscription box every month. So this is a sweet little craft bag for makers on the move. It is the Zip Zip Go bag. Okay, you've got your embroidery hoop here with your embroidery, your thread, your scissors, little notions that you might need to do your embroidery, or I guess you could use it for any kind of small project. Okay, it does come with a long zipper here. So you would, I'm assuming because of the pattern here, you'd actually cut this in half. That's why there's also two zipper pulls. And let's see, yeah, that would work out, right? Yeah, exactly, because there's two ends here as well. So yeah, you would go ahead and cut it in the center here, and then you'd be able to do those two zippers there on the front of the pouch. Okay, and this next item is also very exciting to go with your little zipper pouch. So there is a cute little zipper charm here. Hopefully you can see this one. All right, so when you've completed your bag, I'll go ahead and show it to you again. You can go ahead and put this on one of the zippers, and I think that would be such a cute addition to this little pouch. Okay, but that's not all. We also get this vinyl, okay, this clear vinyl to put on the front there. As you can see, this pouch right here, this part of the pouch is vinyl. Okay, and here are the other requirements that are needed for this Zip Zip Go. Hopefully Vanessa will have this on her website. Usually these are kind of like limited edition curated for the box, but this is a super cute little pouch, and I think everybody should have the opportunity to make this one. This is super cute. All right, so bear with me. We do have our next pattern, and we have all of this fabric, but it is cut just exactly like we need it for the pattern. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this apart, and then I'll show you each of the fabrics separately. Here is the pattern. This is called Sprinkles, and it is 64 1/4 by 72 3/4 big, so a really nice lap size quilt. Gotta love that. Here are the materials that you need here on the back. So the fabric that we got are actually 12 coordinating fat quarters. So we only need 10 of the fat quarters, and then we need 4 3/4 yards of the white background print. We'll also need our binding print, our backing print, and then of course, obviously your batting. So yeah, but for the most part, you can make this quilt top as long as you can get the background fabric. Okay, so we did not get a holiday themed box this month, and that might be a good thing because I do know that a lot of you have I don't want to say complain because I feel like that has such a negative connotation, but a lot of you have expressed that you're not a fan of holiday prints. So this looks like maybe it's the spring line that's coming out. I'm really not sure. I'll have to dig in and do a little research on that. But this is super friendly for everybody, right? Especially if you don't like holiday prints. I have so many of these dots from Lella Boutique. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with these in every colorway. All right, so that is it for this box. I am very excited about the fabric. I love English cottage gardens. I am a gardener myself, and I feel like all of those prints really speak to me as a gardener. So I'm very excited about that. The colorway is beautiful. Yeah, and I love that little zippy pouch. That is really awesome as well, and the little zipper pull that goes with it. I think this box is a great value just personally from my initial feelings of opening this box. All right, so as I fold these back together, I know that last time on the video, a lot of the comments wanted to feel a little bit more value from this box, especially for the $72 price tag. And I have to say, I feel like Lella Boutique and Secret Stitch Co. really pulled through on this one for all of us. Like I said, the full project is pretty much here. And then of course you have these 12 coordinating back quarters, which is significant in cost. And honestly, it's not even just Lella Boutique, right? There's other subscription boxes where the feedback has been, we want more usable items, not these little knickknacks. And I think that Lella Boutique really did a great job of listening to subscribers about their concerns. So that is my personal thought. I hope you guys feel the same, and I'd love to know what you think of this box down below. Bye everybody. I hope you have a great night.